Good day everyone, my name is Denny Putra from Management Class 22C. In this presentation, I would like to explain about the influence of psychology of decision making. Okay, this topic is important because every decision experienced in business and accounting is not only based on logic and data, but also influenced by human emotion, attitudes, and mental condition. Psychology plays a significant role in how people perceive situation, evaluate risks, and make choices in both personal and professional life. Decision making is a complex process where people must choose between different alternatives. While it often assumed that decisions are made logically, many studies show that emotion, stress, and personal experience greatly affect the choice people make. Psychology helps explain why people sometimes make irrational or risky decisions even when better options are available. Factors like fear of loss, overconfidence, pressure from others, or previous experience can influence how a person perceives a situation and selects decision. One important concept is cognitive bias, which refers to the tendency for people to make decisions based on personal belief, emotion rather than facts. For example, a manager refuses to accept negative financial report because they are too confident in their business strategy, even if the data show loss. Another example is confirmation bias, where people prefer information that support their existing assumption and ignore facts that contradict them. These psychologies tendencies often lead to poor decision making in companies and financial management. Another physical factor is risk aversion, which describes how people prefer to avoid loss rather than take risks, even if take risk may result in greater gain. In financial decision, managers make avoidable strike to protect the company from the potential loss, but this can also limit business opportunities. Psychology also explains why some people become overconfident and take risks without properly considering the consequence, which can be dangerous in business and investment. In addition, stress and pressure are psychological factors that strongly affect decision making. When people are under high pressure of apprehension stress, their ability to process information and consider long-term consequences decrease. This can lead to hasty to impulsive decisions. For instance, an accounting understanding deadline pressure like important financial detail or profit transaction without fully checking in validity. Understanding the influence of psychology on decision making is very important, especially for managing, accounting, and business leaders. By recognizing how emotion and mental condition can affect decision, organization can improve decision-making process, provide better training, and create a work environment that reduces stress and support rational thinking. It also helps leaders become more aware of their own business and them take different perspectives before making important decisions. In conclusion, psychology has a strong influence on decision making in both personal and professional situations. Emotional, cognitive bias, stress, and risk perception are key factors that shape how people make decisions. By understanding this psychology influence, companies and individuals can make better, more ethical, and effective decisions. Okay, that's my presentation about the influence of psychology on decision making, and I hope this presentation has helped you understanding how human psychology impact the way the choice and decision in business and accounting. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next presentation.